Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today is Kit Day and we will be revealing the newest Softlex company design kit, Double Rainbow. These kits are just fantastic. They have so many wonderful items, some exclusive items, and just it gives you a variety of products that you might not usually pair together. It's just a wonderful. This is everything that is included in the kit. We have some purple Softlex wire, silver metals, and then we have a custom bead mix and a rainbow crystal and spacer mix, some beads, and then we have some more ceramic beads and hot air balloons. And then we have two exclusive items, rainbow charms and 6 millimeter check glass clear with AB finish fire polish. And this is a little information that they give you about the kit, and there is a monthly challenge. You can post your finished designs on their Facebook group. I posted my designs for the Great Bead Extravaganza Arctic Circle, and I was chosen as the random winner to receive a free kit. So any designs that you make with the double rainbow, if you post them in their Facebook group, you'll have a chance to win a future kit. So I want to thank Softlex Company so much for this generous gift. I can't wait to see all the beautiful items inside. And before we reveal the kit, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. It helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link for the unboxing of all the other Softlex design kits, as well as a tutorial playlist for all the designs created with this beautiful kit. Just love the packaging. It's so adorable. The little sticker and then the tissue paper, just so beautiful. It's like a little monthly gift to yourself or perfect to give as a gift. Already comes prepackaged. I love the ribbon that they use. You can use it for your designs. You can make a tassel out of it. When I saw the theme double rainbow, I was already thinking of sun catchers for spring. So this might be a nice little string to add for a sun catcher. It This little hot air balloon is so adorable, and it will be available, the last Wednesday of the month. I think these are the same, company that makes all the other ceramic beads that they have on their website. We had some stars for star-crossed lovers, the adorable penguin charm from Arctic Circle. After winter, this is just a bright, happy, cheerful color, just ready for spring. So, oh, those are really sparkly. So we'll start with our amethyst wire, and this is the purple amethyst. So pretty, one of my favorites. So we have our exclusive item of our 6 millimeter check glass. See that beautiful sparkle. And this is our 4 millimeter crystal Mira Druck beads. Those are pretty. It's kind of like a cloudy day, and then you have that little burst of a rainbow. So pretty. Those would be cute for little earrings with these adorable little rainbow charms. Then you have your findings and some charms in here. So we have three adorable little rainbow charms. Perfect for a little charm bracelet. Two for an earring, and then one for like a little charm on a bracelet or as a pet. And then this adorable hot air balloon. How cute is that? Very, very detailed. And it's your teeny tiny Peruvian ceramic hot air balloon. Softlex is based in Sonoma County, California, and I know a few times when I've been there, I've seen some hot air balloons in the sky, so I think that's just really cool. These are super cute. Move this out of the way, and then this is our, let's see, this is our rainbow crystal and spacer mix with the little play heishis. Lots of sparkles. Oh wow, it's definitely a rainbow. How pretty. You have a lot of these little clay heishis in all different colors. These are great for spacer beads just to add some color in your design. Really just brings out the spring season. So pretty, all the crystals. They almost have like a little shimmer finish to them, not quite an AB or Aurora Borealis finish, but just a little bit. How cute. Purple, red, couple shades of blue, green. So you get all the colors of the rainbow for sure. And then we still have our Jesse James Speed Mix to open. Little hot air balloon, and then all these beautiful crystals. Does it remind anyone else of The Wizard of Oz and the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow? When I was sorting the beads, I was kind of humming that. So I was like, oh, that's kind of a fun theme. So double rainbow and then linked to The Wizard of Oz. And this is the exclusive mix for Jesse James beads. Wow, these are gorgeous. These are probably about a 12 millimeter crystal AB. You could just see the sparkle. These would be perfect for sun catchers. And these little rainbow beads. These I think were in the Bead Strand, and normally Jesse James Beads will make a custom bead strand to match the design kit, but I did not purchase that one for this month for double rainbow. But I have some of the beads that are from that collection. Definitely your rainbow beads. These are beautiful. These are about, I want to say about a 16 millimeter, 14 or 16 millimeter briolets, and they're top drilled. How pretty. Just the sparkle on those. Perfect for sun catchers. That's what I love about the Softlex company design kits is you're already designing as soon as you open these beautiful items. And you have some of these little flowers and they're like a yellow. And then I love these ones, just the little AB. They look like little raindrops. How cute. Those would be cute for earrings or for a bracelet or a pendant. And then you have these really unique ones. It's like a little specialty kit. You get two of those. And you have some pale pastel green, little rectangles, and then lots of findings. Have some 6 millimeter, maybe 5 millimeter frosted bead. These are pretty, a very pale robin egg blue. I love the bright colors and the sparkle, but then you also have the pastel colors for spring. Then two of these little oval beads, some red crystals, spacers. This would fit perfectly. So you get so many beads in this kit and a lot of little findings. Some aqua bicones, then very shimmery, kind of a golden yellow bead. A lot of little bead caps, like little daisies bead caps, and then some rondels. So you can never have too much sparkle. I think after the winter season, we're just looking forward to spring, and this kit is perfect. It's just bright and sunny, and it just puts a smile on your face. So this is a super fun kit. Thanks Softlex Company again for this generous gift of the free kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.